Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unbox the exclusive gift hamper of Harry Potter from the Wizarding World together. And I got this on my birthday from my close friend, and let's go. So guys, I got like too carried away and I tore the gift wrap, but yeah, we're gonna unbox like what's inside together. Okay, let's go. This was like the gift wrap, and see how pretty it is. I really liked it. Cool. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Okay. So firstly, we have this amazing silk, and inside a cloth, a satin cloth, I don't know, something it's there. It's like really glossy, it looks nice. Okay, so firstly we have these beautiful bookmarks, magnetic bookmarks. I'll show you how they look from inside, Aaron. Let's wait. Let's see what else we have. For batches, Gryffindor. I was sorted to Gryffindor, by the way. Then we have all these three also. Magnets, beautiful magnets. The train station and the Ronders map. We had this voucher, 20% off. I don't know. I should blur that, right? We have this diary. I'll open it afterwards. Another diary. I'll open it afterwards. Cool. And the calendar, probably, yeah. It's a calendar, 2024 calendar. Includes sticker sheet. So now let's see each and everything closely. Okay, let's go. Okay, so firstly we have these magnetic bookmarks. Let's test it out on this book. I know I should have used a Harry Potter book, but see. For example, here I am on this page and I want to use this right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up, and here we have the bookmark. It's like magnetic, so like automatically sticks, and here we have it. Pretty. Next, batches. Okay, these are the batches with the pins right here. You can put it anywhere. I don't need to demonstrate that. Let's come to the calendar. Let's go. Okay, so January, February, March, April, whatever. Stickers. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, lol. And like we just use this thing to like make it stand, and like that's all. I'm not gonna open the diaries because I don't want to. So that's all for the video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. And yep, I would say this was like an amazing gift, and I love my friend for that. Stay tuned for the next video, and peace out. No, peace out does not really work. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye.